So I'm going to show you in this video how I get 1,000 likes to a brand new Facebook page in the first 7 days. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so every day I get comments on my videos from people wanting to know how to grow a Facebook page to 1,000 likes to 10,000 likes, mainly because they want to know how to monetize their pages with ad breaks or instant articles. Now, if you haven't seen my videos about how to make money on Facebook with instant articles or ad breaks, I have a ton of videos on my YouTube channel that can teach you how you can qualify and what are the steps that you need to do in order to make money with Facebook. So if you're starting a brand new page, most likely you'll need to get to 10,000 likes in order to start monetizing. And so what I've done over the past 30 days is I've created a brand new page, and I'm doing exactly what I'm telling you to do. And I want to show you the Facebook ad strategy that I use to grow that page to 1,000 likes in the first 7 days. Even in a single day, how you can generate 1,000 likes to your Facebook page in order to get to that 10,000 likes. So I'm going to show you a real life example of how I'm using Facebook ads to grow a brand new Facebook page. But before we get into that, what I want you to do is to download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below, because it's going to show you how you can make money not just with Facebook but with affiliate marketing in general, how you can utilize YouTube, different ways that you can make money that are proven to work and that I personally use to make a full-time income online. So if you want to learn how to do that, just download my free guide. It's over 40 pages, how you can go from basically making $0 online to making $100 per day in a matter of a few months. So with that in mind, what we're going to do is jump into my computer. Alright guys, so we're inside my Facebook Ads Manager account, and what you're looking at right now are two ad sets for the ads that I'm running for that Facebook page. The Facebook page is less than 30 days old, and this is going to be a Facebook page that I'm going to be using to create videos to show you guys how to grow a Facebook page. But for now, I'm not going to show you the actual page because I want to make sure that all the likes that come in, all the people who come to that page are actually interested in the content of that page. I don't want any people just taking a look and liking the page for the sake of seeing what we're doing. But later on, in later videos, you're going to see the progress of how I was able to grow this page from 0 to 10,000 likes, and then from there get it monetized, so you can see that it's not that difficult. Now, these two ad sets have a budget of about $5 per day. As you can see, they're separated by region. So this one is worldwide, English speaking countries, interests based on the topic of the page. Same thing for this one. And what I did is, over the past 7 days, I tested and experimented with multiple ads to see which ones actually work best, and I kept the best one, which was giving me the best cost per like. And as you can see, this one is giving me a cost per like of about 1 cent, and this one about 6 cents per like. And so far today we have about 430 likes to the page from a $5 budget basically. Now if we go back to yesterday, I want to show you the numbers for yesterday. That was 638 likes with about 2 cents per like. That was the cost for yesterday, but 600 likes in a single day, which is great. So that means if I keep going, if I keep these ads going for the next 7 to 10 days, I'll be closer to reaching those 10,000 likes. So the whole thing might cost me $100, maybe $120 to get it to 10,000 likes. And while that's happening, we continue to post content every single day on that page with the goal of getting that natural organic engagement to the page, because Facebook is not going to monetize our page if it's brand new and not getting engagement. So we gotta have organic engagement on the page, because once we apply for monetization, once we get the Facebook ad breaks or instant articles, they want to see real engagement on the page. So that's why you need real people. You need 10,000 likes or so to get real engagement on the page, so Facebook sees that this is a real page getting real people engaged with the content. So my whole goal with this page is to use it as an experiment to show you guys that you can take a brand new page from 0 to 10,000 likes, get it monetized, and get it making money in a matter of a few months, and get it to maybe $20, $50, $100 per day within the next. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is what I'm doing to grow a brand new Facebook page. I don't buy likes from any websites out there to get to 10,000 likes. or anything like that. I buy legitimate likes from Facebook, from people who are using Facebook and making sure that are extremely targeted to the page that I want to grow. Because many of you have messaged me asking me whether I should buy likes from this website or that website because it's really cheap and you can get to 10,000 likes extremely fast. The thing is, that's gonna get you banned, and most likely it's not gonna get you approved for monetization, because what you want is real engagement from real people on Facebook who are actually in that specific category or niche that you're trying to grow your Facebook page. Now, if you're wondering how I can get very low cost per like to this Facebook page, it's all about the targeting inside of Facebook ads. In fact, I posted a few videos that you can watch. It's basically a playlist on Facebook ads over an hour that can teach you how you can target specific things on Facebook ads, how you can use Facebook ads to grow your Facebook pages. Now, if you don't want to dabble into Facebook ads, if you don't know anything about Facebook ads and you want someone that can help you grow your Facebook page, I do take some clients on a monthly basis. If you're one of those people who need help to grow your Facebook pages, to grow your business on Facebook, I'm going to put a few links in the description of this video for people who want coaching services or they want Facebook ads management services. I do offer those, but I do take maybe 1 or 2 clients per month if I have the time. So you do have to apply, and once you apply, I'll get back to you. With that said, guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that I provided you with some new ideas and new information, showing you that it's possible to get 1,000 likes in a day, 1,000 likes in 7 days, even get it to 10,000 likes extremely fast. You don't need to wait 6 months in order to do that, and you don't need a lot of money to do it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Appreciate it. If you did like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.